Welcome to Tint Wraps. Today I'm going to show you how to install this back window on a Tesla Cybertruck. It's the one window that you only see if you roll down the cage. If you have the cage closed, you're not going to obviously see this window. It's right behind the seats. First step is we're going to turn this film around so that we could separate the liner from the film. And we're going to put the liner back on. Now we're going to roll the film up. What we're doing right now is making it a lot easier for us to work with the film with the size of the space that we're working with. Now I'm set to go. Remember what side you have each side on. I know that this side has this bevel, so I'm going to make sure I follow through where that bevel is. Glass has already been cleaned. Doing our final spray. Gonna roll a little bit of the film out. I'm gonna get the top corner in first. What we're doing is slowly pushing the film up. Now that we got most of the film up, just have this triangle here so I can pull back the seal. Slide the film right behind it. Sliding the film over this direction so that I give myself some more space on the other side. Slide it back in this direction. Now I'm going to inspect the glass. Make sure the film is lined up correctly, no gapping. Okay. Going straight from the middle, outward. And that's it. We're all set.